Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your December 2020 love readings. Now these are general readings, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading we'll see the past, the present and the future, three card spread, and we'll clarify it. We'll also see a likely outcome, Gemini. So let's start. Gemini's general love energies for December 2020. Past, present and future. Three card spread. Universe and guides, please guide. Gemini's general energy, past, present and future spreads. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Gemini's past, present and future spread. Three card spread, please. Okay, so let's start here. The Sun, the High Priestess, the Seven of Wands. So in the past, it seems there was very happy situation. Maybe you were dealing with a Leo with the Sun card. In the past, there are happy energies. Sun is the best card of the deck in terms of happiness, growth, abundance, prosperity. Things were going really great between you and your person, because we're talking about relationship here in the past. But in the present, there is High Priestess. Suddenly something have happened, things have taken a turnaround, and it's like, maybe things have ended recently or is ending, so there is a silent zone here, silence, communication issue, no communication, blocked communication here. That's what I say. It seems that you are either moving away or you have moved away from this specific person of yours. That's what I get here, because your intuition has, you are very intuitive, Gemini. You know certain secrets, now you realize there are certain secrets, there are certain things about your relationship. That's what I get here. But you still very highly attracted to your person with this High Priestess card, lot of attraction, and you thought this relationship of yours had a high potential, it was highly potential. That was your thinking about it. But right now you are being guided by your intuition, you are being guided by your inner voice. Either you have blocked them or they have blocked you or went silent, and that's what we'll clarify and see. And in the future, recent future again, you can see that Seven of Wands still guards up, emotionally. Either you will be guarded or your person will be still guarded with not letting emotions flow here. So it's a card of not opening up fully. That also, not opening up to emotions, not opening up to communication. That's what I get with these energies here. Let's clarify. Why is the Sun card here in the past energies? Why is the Sun card here in the past energy? The Lovers, okay, that was a soulmate. This is your card, Gemini. Okay, and then the Ace of Pentacles. So definitely, there was something in the past, you Sun, because your person was, giving you hope, was, giving you hope that this relationship is gonna go in a, right direction, long term, and it will be a stable one, that they would propose to you for marriage, for engagement, and it was the soulmate and twin flame of kind of connection. So you were in this happy energies with the Sun card. With this person with whom you had this relationship in the past, it was quite good. Lovers card, twin flame, soulmate, and this Ace of Pentacle is proposal or message or communication, commitment communication here. So that made you happy in the past here. So now what has happened in the present, it looks to be quite a good spread. So your person has promised you, or you promised them, because vice versa also energies could be there of a long term, and it was a beautiful relationship. That is what I see here. something that every lover would imagine. So why is the High Priestess here in the present position? Why is the High Priestess here in the present position? Okay, so let's see here. King of Swords. So something got cut out here. Nine of Wands. So your person, you could be dealing, this could be like you cut off, and there you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Aquarius, Libra also. You are also Gemini. So it seems that there was a very there was some arguments, there was some communication which went very rude and ruthless kind of communication between you both, or your person had that tendency to show that ruthless behavior, not showing the emotional side, keeping all. King of Swords is very analytical, logical, but not emotionally open to. So maybe your person was slowly, getting slowly with this High Priestess card, slowly closing off, is closed in the present energies, is closed off. There are communications issue here, because this is a present. And either you are cutting them, trying to move on, or you have moved on from your life, you are cutting them off. But it seems that they are highly wounded, they are hurt. Your person is highly wounded or hurt, or you are, this could be you here, highly wounded or hurt because of the way they cut across the situation, they cut across the relationship. They went into hiding or no communication, no kind of zone, without much clarity. Because with the High Priestess, although they went off into hiding, but they did not clearly, you are not still clear about what actually went wrong between you. It was quite off and on, to and fro kind of relationship, and that has really led, you are wounded, you are still hurt, but you are trying to revive yourself. This could be also an ex. This is Nine of Wands, is also a card of ex. So it was the return of your ex or something, for some of you here, not at all, but it is like your person feels that they have done a lot before, and they did not get what they wanted. That is their thoughts, what I would say here. So they feel hurt that way, but it seems that you have done a lot for this relationship, and right now you are also not very hopeful of this relationship here. That's what I see. So this but you are no more stressed as before. Letting, you were quite stressed when this breakup happened, or but now you are just trying to balance yourself with this High Priestess card, bringing balance your life, going slow, going with the flow. That's what you have been doing. So let's see. So this was your sorry. So this was your this is your present energy. Let's see in the past or in the future. So what's in the future? Past, past was beautiful, that I see here. So the future. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune in reverse with the Page of Wands in reverse. So basically in the future also I see issues with communication, scattered energy, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, not taking action on the right time, the problem. Mainly commitment issues also with this Page of Wands reverse, not showing their, love requires a certain way to express when two people fall in love. So that passion, that fire is totally gone out. That's what even if you get a communication, it will not be that fiery, that passionate. That's what I see here. Some of you definitely, your person was dealing with some another third party situations here. It could be also long distance relationship for you, for some of you here. So maybe long distance relationship, not being available to each other, also killed the relationship for some of you here. What I see is this relationship also started very fast and it ended fast also. For some of you, it started on a very high passionate level, and then it just suddenly stopped. So it's like that here. So let's see what's the likely outcome. Likely outcome of Gemini's and Gemini's person relationship in December. Likely outcome of Gemini's and Gemini's person's relationship in December. Okay. Ace of Swords in reverse, communication coming for some. Eight of Cups. Okay, so it seems that somebody wants to communicate, or a communication could come. Here's maybe regarding why they left, what was, but still it will leave you confused. You will not totally trust this situation here. You will still be in the dark, you will still remain confused. So even if your person, some of you might reach out, or clarity coming, communication coming with the Ace of Swords, but because you are so stressed, and you have been moving on with this Eight of Cups here, and with this Seven of Cups, things will still be in confusion. But yes, you can decide whether to go with this or not, but definitely some communication coming for some of you here. So this is it, Gemini. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.